Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Ginger garlic paste is something that we commonly use in the Indian cuisine, be it for curries and pulavs or biryanis, and mostly for many of the non-vegetarian dishes. Today I'm going to show you how we can make fresh ginger garlic paste at home, and you can store it and refrigerate it for up to a week to 10 days instead of buying the store-bought ones. So let's get started and check it out. Today I have taken about 250 grams of ginger and 250 grams of garlic to make this ginger garlic paste. So we are taking in equal measurement. So just make sure that you wash the ginger nicely. There shouldn't be any mud or any dirt. So make sure you clean it well, just peeling off the skin. Now I'm someone who cooks a lot. I think that's quite obvious. So I need a lot of ginger garlic paste, and sometimes I don't have time to make it fresh all the time whenever I'm trying out recipes. So I make it in batches and I make my ginger garlic paste at home, and it remains fresh for almost a week. If you keep it for a longer period of time, the color changes a little bit, but it doesn't get spoiled. So I've just peeled off the skin and I'm cutting into small pieces. So you can see I've cut all the ginger into small pieces because it will be easier for grinding if the pieces are smaller. So I've taken 250 grams of garlic for the paste. So I've peeled off most of it because this, as you know, is quite time consuming. I've left just a few here. So I'm going to grind this in batches. So I'm going to take half of the ginger. So I'm using the small jar because this is perfect for grinding, and I'm also taking half of the garlic. Now first I'm going to grind without adding any water. Only if water is required, I will be adding a teaspoon or so. Now I have not added any water because it was not required, and you can see the ginger garlic paste looks perfect. So if you grind it like this without adding any water, the shelf life will also be more. Just look at the ginger garlic paste, it's perfect and it smells so fresh. So I'm just going to remove this batch and I'm going to grind the remaining, and we're going to bottle this. So next I'm going to bottle it. For a longer shelf life, it's better you use a glass jar like this. Make sure it's nice and clean before you bottle the ginger garlic paste. So you can see for 250 grams of ginger and 250 grams of garlic, it's almost half a kilo both put together. We've got this much of ginger garlic paste. So whatever measurement you take, be it 100 grams, 150 grams, just make sure it's equal. Now for large families, this quantity is very good, especially if you're someone who's a voracious non-vegetarian eater, or if you cook non-vegetarian regularly at home, this will be very, very handy. So you can see I've filled this entire bottle, and I also have some extra left. I'll actually put it into another smaller bottle and I will store it. So here is our fresh ginger garlic paste that you can make at home, and you can refrigerate this for up to a week to 10 days, and you can use it for all your special curries, your biryanis, your pulavs, or any dish that you think you require the ginger garlic paste for. So now you know how to make your own ginger garlic paste at home. Just follow all the steps, and I hope this video has been very useful to you. Now I've already made another video on how to make vegetable broth in our how to series. In case you missed that, I'll give you the link in the description. Do check it out. I'll catch you guys in another episode. See you guys soon. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.